In Valorant, you have the freedom to select which server you want to play on. It's a great feature, especially since you can select the server where you have the lowest ping. Here's how to change it. Open Valorant on your computer, then log in. Once you're on the game's main menu, click on Play. Then select whichever mode you'd like. Next, click on the 3 horizontal lines just on top of your player card. Here, you'll see all the available servers, as well as your ping if you choose to play on one. You can select different servers, but remember that it's always better to choose where your ping is the lowest for better gaming experience. You can select up to 3 preferred servers. Once you're done, you can hit play and start queuing up. Take note that depending on the server you chose, your queuing time may increase, and your preferred servers aren't always guaranteed. Thanks for watching, and make sure to click like and subscribe to watch more guides about all sorts of technology. Also, check out these other videos that we think you'll find helpful.